wow. Wow, wow, wow. Welcome to my channel again, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Full color, guys. Wadidaw. Come on, guys. Look at this, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, this is good toys, guys. Come on, guys. We open this, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow. Digi. Come on, we open this, guys. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, come on, guys. Wow, black color, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Black color, guys. Wow, yellow color, guys. And then what is this, guys? Wow, full color again, guys. Wow, green color, guys. Wow, 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 wow. And then what is this, guys? Wow, full colors, guys. This is Spidey, guys. And next, what is this, guys? Wow, 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 wow. Wow, full color again, guys. Wow. And next, the last one. What is this, guys? Wow, full color again, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Way down. Wow, look at this, guys. Red color, gray color, guys. Wow, blue color, guys. Wow, green color. Wow, 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 black colors, guys. Come on, guys, we open this, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, look at this, guys. Blue and white and red color and brown colors, guys. This is superhero Captain America.
That's a great way to see the city.
Wow, wow, wow. Good job, guys. Very, very nice, guys. Wow. This is very funny, guys. And then what is this, guys? Wow. Red colors, guys. This is superhero Iron Man. Wow, 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 wow. Good job, guys. And then what is this, guys? Wow, green and blue colors, guys. This is superhero Hulk. Wow, 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 wadidaw. And next, what is this, guys? Wow, silver, red and black colors, guys. This is superhero Ant-Man. Wow, 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 wadidaw. And next, what is this, guys? Wow, look at this, guys. Yellow and red and gray colors, guys. This is superhero Thor. Wow. Wow, look at this, guys. And next, what is this, guys? Wow, look at this, guys. Black and silver colors, guys. This is superhero Batman. Wow, wadidaw. Look at this, guys. Wow, this is good Avengers, guys. And then what is this, guys? Wow, red and blue colors, guys. This is superhero Spider-Man. Wow.
Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Moves won't.
Wow. Wow, look at this, guys. Blue and red colors, guys. This is superhero Captain America. Wow, look at this, guys. This is very dangerous, guys. So funny, guys. And then what is this, guys? Wow, green and blue colors, guys. This is superhero Hulk. Wow, wadidaw. Thank you, guys. See you next video. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe. Bye.